Hello, everybody. This is Haidar Qasri talking to you. There will be an online OET training course and 2 hours training courses, intensive and regular, starting on Monday, the 28th of April. The lectures of the OET will be 3 lectures a week at 10 p.m. Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, 25 to 30 lectures, which may take 9 to 12 weeks. The lectures of the intensive IELTS will be at 8 p.m. on Monday, the 28th, 5 lectures a week, which may take 5 to 7 weeks, whereas the lectures of the regular arts will be 3 lectures a week at 10 p.m., starting on Tuesday, the 29th of April. Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays, 25 to 30 lectures, which may take 9 to 12 weeks. Those who are interested may contact me on the WhatsApp, the Telegram, or you may just send me a message on Facebook. Thank you very much and wish you all the best.